in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this text fade animation effect in Premiere Pro. So the first thing I want to do is to create a new color mate. So you come over to this new item over here and select it and select color mate and hit OK and select the color tone you prefer. I'm going to select this tone and hit OK. Hit OK once more and drag it onto my timeline over here. So basically that's the first step. The next step is to add our text. So come over to your type tool over here and select it. And come over to your preview screen over here and type a text. I'm going to type Premiere. And come over to your essential graphics over here and align your text. Now move over to Effects Control. And under the opacity over here, first of all hit the selection tool over here. And under the opacity section, select the free draw bezier. And draw a mask around your preview monitor like this. And move back to the Effects Control and select the stopwatch next to mask part to add a keyframe at the start of your clip, and select mask once more and drag this mask away from your screen like this, and move your playhead to somewhere around the 3 seconds mark and drag your mask back to the screen like this. The next thing you want to do is to move down and increase the value for your mask feather. I'm going to set it to somewhere around 200. Now if I go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see what we have created over here. Another thing you can do is to select your text and hold down Alt and drag it one track above to duplicate it, and select the bottom text and change the text. I'm going to change this to tutorials and drag it below the top text. Okay, let me take out that S and move your playhead to the start of your clip over here, and in the Effects Control I'm going to select the mask part and drag this mask to the bottom section of my preview screen and select the top text and select mask and drag it to the top left portion of my preview screen. And that's it guys on how to create this text fade animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.